Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Emery, your virtual assistant for Fiery Specialty Applications, and in today's video I would like to show you how to install the NICS color sensor for print mode creation. So let's get started. One of the most challenging parts of digital printing is the ability to match colors as accurately as possible. Fiery Digital Factory provides an amazing easy-to-use solution by integrating the NICS group of color measurement devices. We are using the NICS sensors in our RIPs for spot color replacement and for getting the ink limits right in the print mode creation process. The sensors are normally used with an app on a mobile phone and measure colors in CMYK, RGB, and in lab. We have gone even further and have created with NICS a Windows driver, which allows the NICS color sensors to connect to a PC. This has enabled us to use the NICS color sensors as an inexpensive solution to create print modes for printers and specific media. In this video we want to show and explain where the driver can be found and how to install it in Windows. How to install them in Digital Factory. How to connect the NICS sensor. And how check in the device manager if the driver is installed correctly. Installing the NICS sensor in Windows. When we install Digital Factory 11 we create a folder in Digital Factory called WinDRV. There, we store the Windows driver for the NICS sensors. You can install the NICS driver with a right mouse click on the file nixdriverv10.inf file, then choose Install. You can also install the NICS sensor driver from within Digital Factory. To do so, go to Devices. Manage Print Modes. In Spectrophotometers. Select the NICS Pro and Mini as device. Click on the three-dot button on the right. In the dialog window NICS Pro and Mini settings you can define the time delay for measurement. And you can press Install Windows Driver. A dialog shows, stating driver is installed. Connect the NICS color sensor. You can connect the NICS now to the computer using a USB cable. The NICS color sensor will show a blue light when it is connected to the PC. To check that everything is working fine we go to the device manager. To do so, we right mouse click on the Windows icon and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager we click on Ports. And the NICS sensor should show up as connected with a COM port. If the NICS color sensor is connected and shows a blue light, but ports, COM and LPT, are not listed, or listed and the NICS is not there, then something went wrong with the installation. In that case you can go to Action, Add Drivers, and direct the installer to the WinDriv folder where the NICS driver is located. A message will come up that drivers are successfully installed. Close the dialog. Now go to Action. Scan for hardware changes. The ports, COM and LPT, will show up. And when you click on the arrow in front of ports, you will see the NICS sensor. And you can use the NICS to create printer profiles. Thank you for watching.